Hi friend, quick warning. In Japan, hi doesn't always mean yes. So you think you agreed, but later your coworker does something else. Awkward, right? Today I'll fix it. In this video, you'll learn two things for working in Japan. What hi really means and how to confirm decisions, how to disagree softly without sounding negative. By the end, you'll feel more calm in meeting. Let's go! 1. Hi doesn't always mean yes. What hi often means I hear you, I understand, okay, I'm listening. Not always I agree. Why? In Japan, people want to keep things smooth. So they show they are listening first. Common situation number 1, deadline. Scene. You ask, can we finish by tomorrow? They say, hi, you think great, done. But later they said it's hard. The problem, you heard hi and you close the case too fast. The fix, simple. Confirm one more time. Say this in Japanese. 明日までに対応できますか? Can you handle it by tomorrow? Then confirm. では明日までにお願いします。Okay, please do it by tomorrow. Why this works? Your turn listening into a clear decision. Common situation number 2, meeting decision. Scene. In a meeting, you say, let's use plan A. People say, hi. But after the meeting, someone starts plan B. The fix, super easy. Do quick summary plus confirm. Say this in Japanese. 確認ですが、A 案で進めますか? Just to confirm, we will go with plan A. If they say yes, 承知しました。A 案で進めます。Got it. We will go with plan A. Why this works? In Japan, a calm check is polite. It helps everyone stay on the same page. Common situation 3, Slack team message. They reply, hi, to your long message. You still don't know yes, no, maybe? The fix, ask a yes, no question. Say this in Japanese. 可能でしょうか? Is it possible? Or, いつまでに可能ですか? By when is it possible? Why? Possible question makes the next step clear. Mini recap number 1. So remember, hi can be I'm listening to avoid mistake. Do this. Ask one clear confirmed question. Repeat the decision in one short sentence. Now let's talk about disagreeing. Part 2. How to disagree softly without looking negative. The big idea in Japan, no one can sound strong, so we use a soft start. Easy formula, soft cushion, small reason, option. Why? It protects the relationship and you still say your opinion. Situation number 1, you disagree with an idea. Your coworker said, let's do this plan. You think it's risky, don't say, no, that's wrong. Say this instead. In Japanese. いいですね。ただ少し心配な点があります。That sounds good, but I have a small concern. Then, ここだけ確認してもいいですか? Can I check one thing? Why this works? You start positive. You don't attack the person. Situation number 2. You cannot disagree with the schedule, boss. Can you do it today? You want to say no. Soft way. 申し訳ありません。本日は難しいです。I'm sorry it's difficult to finish today, then given an option. 明日までなら可能です。I can do it by tomorrow. Why? No plus an option feels helpful, not negative. Situation number 3. You want to suggest a better way. You disagree, but you want to help. Soft tradition in Japanese. 別の方法もありそうです。There may be another way too. Or, こちらの案はいかがでしょうか? How about this idea? Why? It sounds like teamwork, no fighting. Mini recap number 2. Super simple. To disagree, to softly in Japanese. Start soft, that's good. Say small concern, and offer an option. This makes you look professional. Comment hi if this is helpful. If you like this video, like and subscribe please. If you have any questions, drop them in a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. 見てくれてありがとう。またね。